Yes, welcome. Today we are going to be learning about the cell. We are going to be learning about the what? Cell. Cell. Cell is the simplest bit of a living matter that can exist independently. Cell is the simplest bit of a living matter that can exist independently. Your body, my body is made up of cells. It's made up of what? Cells. Every human being, every living thing is made up of what? Cells. If you continue breaking down this my body into pieces, you finally arrive at a what? Cell. Some cell that can exist independently can exist what? Independently. There are small cells that can exist independently. Unlike human beings like we are. We need our cells to come together to form organs, and to form tissues, from tissues to what? Organs, from organs to what? System. And that's why we can exist. But there are some cells that can exist independently. Is that clear? Example is what? Amoeba, you understand? And some other ones, plenty of them, euglena and stuff like that, you understand? So you need cells to come together to make up a living system like ours, and at the same time cells can exist independently as a living organism on their own. Is that clear? So the smallest bit of living is known as the what? Cell. The cell is the simplest bit of living matter that can do what? Exist what? Independently. Now it can carry out the basic characteristics of living things. We say that a living thing is any organism that has the following characteristics. Example is what? Nutrition, respiration, movement, death, irritability, and so on and so forth. You understand? An independent cell can also carry out these characteristics. Euglena and amoeba can carry out those characteristics. Is that clear? So that's why it can be called an independent cell. Now, an English scientist known as Robert Hooke, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Discovered the what? Cell in 1665. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Then after discovering the cell, other scientists worked on the cell, discovering the plant cell and the what? Animal cell. Discovering the what? Plant cell and animal cell. And after doing an extensive work on cell, they arrived at what we call the cell theory. They arrived at what we call what? The cell theory. They arrived at what we call what? The cell theory. And what are the statements in the cell theory? Number one is that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. All living organisms are what? Composed of one or more cells. Give me examples of living organisms. Me and you, isn't it? So all of us are composed of what? Cells. One or more cells. All living organisms. That's the first statement of the cell theory. And the second statement of cell theory is that the cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Do you understand? What makes us to be functional, to be able to breathe, walk, is because of the what? Cell. Because the cell is the functional and structural unit of what? Living organism. It gives us the structure that we have and our ability to perform functions. Is that clear? Now, the third statement of the cell theory is that all existing cells come from the reproduction of pre-existing cells. Is that clear? No cell just comes out on its own. Every existing cell has to come from the one that was pre-existing. Is that clear? Like fetus in the belly, how does it come about? Yeah, what happens during the reproduction? Was it from an initial cell or does it just come out on its own? The fetus. From the spermatozoa of the man, isn't it? Having to do some kind of fusion with what? The ovary of the woman. That brings out the what? Fetus, offspring. So no cell just comes out. Can you just have a baby just fall off from the sky? No, it has to come from somewhere. You understand? Cells exist from pre-existing cells. Is it not clear? So that is the third statement. And the final statement is that a cell contains information for its structural and functional what? Development. Every cell contains the information that is needed. You understand? You talk about DNA. When you have a child and a woman just comes from nowhere and tells you that this child that she just gave back to is your child, what do? How do you prove? DNA test, because inside that DNA there are information. There are what? Information that can tell you that yes, you are the father. No, you're not the father. Is that clear? So cells contain what? Information. They contain what? Information for structural and functional what? Development. Is that clear? Is that clear? So henceforth we are going to learn about the various parts of the cells and their functions. Various parts of the cell and their what? Functions. But before we do that, we are going to take an X-ray into what the structure of the plant and animal cell is. What the structure of what? Plant and animal cell is. Is that clear? So let's look at the structure of plants and animal cell. So I want you to draw along.